Zero knowledge based scaling solutions. This is huge. All right. What's going on, YouTube? Weston Nelson here, coming to you from the Crypto Cave. Talk about Polygon. There's just going to be a screen share, and right now I'm actually just on in our community server, the Crypto Cave, which I guess just to give you a quick overview, this is where all the automated alerts come in from our bots, and then all of our text channels that we have, and then quite a sweet affiliate program. But just wanted to show that off. I know I think we just crossed a nice member threshold, so we're excited about that. Thank you. We're so excited to see the healthy growth, and we can't wait for it to continue. But oh yeah, our website also on mobile and desktop is live as well. So check it out. We got the live chat feature here enabled if you want to. 17 members online right now. But this little button, this green one in the lower right corner, go ahead and press that if you want to chat with us. Very simple. Sign up takes you to the URL where you upgrade your role in Discord, and then you have access to the community. But what I want to talk about today was actually, like I said, Matic. Polygon Matic. Okay. Let's go to the, yes, here we go. There is a major development coming out that I was aware of, but I didn't realize how big it was. So zero knowledge based scaling solutions. This is huge. I didn't even know this was actually going to be something that was possible for a sidechain. So that technologically wise, I need to there's a real-time alert that we just got in our server. Looks like a news alert. They've got just so much going on, and I think that, as far as a tokenized community would go, Polygon might make the most sense for one to start on, and be multi-chain, of course. But what do you think? The fact that their transactions are the user experience is improving. If you've been using Polygon, formerly called Matic, they go so fast and it's so cheap that it's almost hard not to love it. Personally, I've used QuickSwap and SushiSwap, I'd say the most as far as DEXs, centralized exchanges. And then they've got yield aggregators like Adamant Vaults, Polycap Finance, as well as others that are, just doing an exceptional job at a fraction of the cost. So I think big things coming for Polygon. I was looking at the chart today. It's a current price. Matic USD is $1.52, $1.52. That's on Coinbase. So we'll see where we go, but things are looking pretty good. Make sure to subscribe if you found this helpful, valuable to you, because we are coming out with as much educational content as we can from the Crypto Cave. And then please do check us out in our community in Discord. We do have a 7-day free trial. You don't even have to enter your credit card, so you can come and get a see for what we have going on. And if you like it, stay. If you don't, if it's not right for you, thank you for tuning in, and we will talk soon. Cheers.